Hi, welcome to Campfire Cooking with Zach. In this series, we're going to be looking at all sorts of different recipes that you can cook over the fire. First, let's flash back to my kitchen for some pre-meal prep. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do is take a couple potatoes, dice them up like that. 2 to 3 potatoes, totally up to you. Next, put all the potatoes into a pan of water. You're going to let them soak just to remove some starch. You can let them sit there for about an hour.
Next, you want to fry your bits of potato. Please add salt and pepper as needed. Cook until brown and add pepper.
Then you're going to take 12 eggs and whisk them. Alright, today we're going to be cooking out of a Dutch oven, and we lined the Dutch oven with tin foil so that we don't have to wash it out later. Alright, now pour all the ingredients into the Dutch oven. So after you've torn up the bread, you want to submerge it into the egg yolk. And there's a lot of other items you can add to this recipe. You can add in sausage, you can add in onions, peppers, anything you really want. This is what we've chosen for today. Okay, and then you're going to add your cheese on top. Any cheese that you like. All right, next we're going to take our Dutch oven and we're going to put it on the fire. Okay, after about 15 to 20 minutes, you're allowed to check on it throughout, but after 15 to 20 minutes, you're gonna take it off the fire, let it cool down for a little bit. Scoop it out, and bon appetit.